In previous videos, we have seen what do you mean by linear equation in two variables, and also we have learned how to solve them by cancelling one of the variable. Now here is another easy method to solve two simultaneous equations in two variables, that is Cramer's method or determinant method. Let us first understand what is the Cramer's method. If we have given a1x plus b1y equal to c1 as first equation, a2x plus b2y equal to c2 as second equation. Here a1 and a2 are coefficient of x and b1, b2 are coefficient of y and c1, c2 are the constant. Now how to solve it? First we have to make a determinant. In this determinant, one column is coefficient of x, another column is coefficient of y. We have to solve them. That is a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. Then for finding the value of x, we have to make another determinant dx. Now here the column of coefficient of x should be replaced by this constant c1, c2, and the coefficient of y remain constant b1, b2. Now we get c1 into b2 minus c2 into b1, and for finding the value of x, we have to divide this determinant dx by d. Then for finding the value of variable y, we have to form the determinant dy. Here column of y coefficient is replaced by constant. So first column will be a1, a2, c1, c2, and we have to solve them by a1, c2 minus a2, c1, and hence to find out the value of y, we have to divide the determinant dy by d, and we will get the value of y. Now let us see how actual example should be solved. Here 3 and 2 are coefficients of x, minus 2 and y, that means minus 2 and plus 1 are the coefficients of y, and 3 and 16 are constant term. Now let us find first the determinant 3, 2, minus 2, 1. So value of it will be 3 into 1 minus 2 into minus 2. 3 into 1 will be 3 minus 2 into 2, 4. That becomes plus, as minus and minus, this becomes plus 4, and we get the value 7. Then now we have to find the determinant dx. Now the value of coefficients of x should be replaced by constant. So we get 3, 16, and here the column same, minus 2, 1. Now let us solve this. We will get 3 into 1 minus 16 into minus 2. So 3 minus 16 into 2, 32. So it will be 3 plus 32, as minus and minus becomes plus, it will be 35. So to find out the value of x, we have to divide the determinant dx by d, that is 35 upon value of d is 7, so it is 5. Now we have to find out the determinant dy. Now to find out the value of y, we have to write the coefficient of x as it is, and coefficient of y should be replaced by constant, that is 3 and 16. Let us solve them. 3 into 16 minus 2 into 3. This is 48 minus 6, that is 42. Now to find out the value of y, we have to divide the determinant dy by d. That is 42 upon 7. We get 6. That means the value of x and value of y are 5 and 6 respectively. This is very simple method. Now let us take another example. In this, 4x plus 3y equal to 4 is first equation. Second equation is given as 6x equal to 8 minus 5y. Let us first convert it into our regular form. That is 6x plus 5y equal to 8. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now firstly, we have to find out the determinant. That is 4, 6. Coefficient of y are 3, 5. Let us find their value. 4 into 5 minus 6 into 3. 20 minus 18, that is 2. Now let us find the determinant dx. Now coefficient of x should be replaced by constant. So constants are 4, 8. Constants are 4 and 8. Y coefficient will remain same. So we will find its value. 4 into 5 minus 8 into 3. 4 into 5 is 20 minus 24. As 20 cannot be subtracted from 24, we should subtract 20 from 24 and get the sign minus, that is minus 4. Now to find out the value of x, we have to divide the determinant dx by d, that is minus 4 upon 2. We get minus 2. For solving the value of y, we have to form the determinant y, dy. Now the values of x coefficient should be kept as it is and the column of y coefficient should be replaced by constants. So we get, let us solve this, 4 into 8 minus 6 into 4. 32, 6 into 4, 24. We get 8. So to find the value of y, we have to divide the determinant dy by d. So value of dy is 8. Value of d is 2. So value of y comes to be 4. That means the value of x and y we get minus 2 and 4 respectively.